Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create attendance sheet in Excel. Okay, you can easily create attendance sheet in Excel. Here you will see I have created this sheet, and here you will see present, absent and holiday count is there, and here you will see this is the month July month, year 2025. This is my employees names, this is their designations. Okay, and this is dates, and this is the weekday. Okay, so now how to create that list, this attendance sheet. So when here you will see, if I enter P here, okay, you will see present count will be increased. Okay, this is will become 20. Okay, now if I enter A here, you will see absent count will increase. So like this you can create an attendance sheet. So I am going to show you how to do it. So first I will take a new sheet. Okay, now here first you have to just create your employee's name. Okay, first, so I am going to copy it from here, serial number, designation, employee and designation. Okay, I will copy it from here to here. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to just like this, like this. Then here I will create a serial number. Okay, for serial number just you have to enter a formula so that it will not delete if you delete any one of the name. Okay, so the formula is rows, this is A7. Okay, so you have to just enter A7, again A7, bracket close, then go to first A7 and press function F4. Okay, now the row will be logged, then click on OK. Now just this, so like this you can create the generate serial number. Then what you have to do, here I'm going to enter date 1 2 3. Okay, then select all of them, and this is July month, so I have to take 31 rows. Okay, 31 rows. Now what you have to do, here you have to enter Sunday, Monday. Okay, weekday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, like this you have to just for 31 days. Okay, then what you have to do, here you have to select one column, then all the column, select all columns. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to just resize one column. Okay, so I'm going to resize this column, and then you will see all the columns is resized. Okay, then we will create outlines for this. Okay, and select all these columns. Okay, then we will select Sundays. Okay, this is Sunday, so I will make it red. Okay, or Sunday or holiday, if there is any holiday you can select that also. Okay, this is the Sunday, and okay, then here you have to just type month and year. Month is July, year is 2025. Okay, select like this, then bold letter. Okay, yeah. And here you have to select like this, okay, 2 row, then go to merge and center. Okay, now here you can type attendance sheet. Okay, now we will increase the font size to 36, select and to 36. Okay, like this you can do bold letter. Okay, and then the important thing is we are going to, here you have to just type present, absent and holiday. Okay, then again, now we will enter a formula. Okay, so I'm going to enter this formula here. So what you have to do, just click on equals to, okay, then count if bracket open, then you have to select the range. Okay, 1 to 31. Okay, so this is the range, then comma. Okay, then here you have to type inverted comma p inverted comma close. Okay, then here you have to type equals to count if formula, then again from 1 to 31. Okay, 1 to 31, then comma. Now you have to enter criteria, should be inverted comma a comma close. Now here in holiday equals to count if comma range should be same. Okay, from this to 31. Okay, now comma criteria should be inverted comma h inverted comma close. Now if I enter anything here, you will see, if I enter here p, okay, you will see the count will be 1. If I enter here h, okay, then you will count in a holiday, the count will be 1. Okay, if I enter a, you will see absent is 1. So like this you can create an attendance sheet in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.